Hey mama, if you're looking for something simple you can use to teach math without textbooks, long lessons, and a ton of prep, this is for you. You don't need hours of math instruction to make math meaningful, especially in the early years. What you do need is one small routine that helps your child truly understand numbers so that math feels easier later on. Today I want to show you one of my favorite no prep math routines for kindergarten. It's easy, flexible, and very effective. In fact, it's something I use regularly with my own kindergartner. It's called Number of the Day. Hi, I'm Erin. I'm a former public school teacher turned homeschool mama, and I help parents confidently teach their kids at home without overwhelm. And today I want to share one of my favorite math routines for preschool and kindergarten. Number of the Day is something I use regularly with my own kindergartner, and it's one of the easiest ways to build strong math foundations in just a few minutes a day. No pressure, no rushing, just steady, meaningful learning. Here's how it works. Each day, you focus on just one number. That's it. Start with the numbers 1 through 10 and go through those numbers again and again, adding more and more to the routine. The goal here is not speed. The goal is understanding. Each day, you choose a number and explore all the different ways that that number can be shown. Let me give you some examples. First, write the number. Your child might trace it, copy it, or write it independently. Wherever they are, that's perfect. And I love Dr. Gene Feldman's numeral song. This gives the children a rhyme that helps them to learn how to make each one of the numerals. Second, show the number. So the kids are going to count it out using their fingers, Legos, blocks, toys, even snacks. At my house, we use Unifix cubes, and that is one of my absolute favorite math tools ever. Once the kids have written the number and shown the number, you can add in building it on a 10 frame. You can use a printable 10 frame, or even I like to cut the end off of an old egg carton and use that to have 10 different containers to put objects in. And so they can use beads, buttons, beans, coins, Unifix cubes, snacks, pom-poms, anything you have lying around the house. By the way, 10 frames are very valuable for helping children understand how smaller numbers relate to 10. And I have a whole video that I have done on 10 frames, so you need to check that out. Fourth is to make tally marks. The child is going to show the number using tallies. This is a skill all in itself. So I teach my children, starting with popsicle sticks, how to make 1, 2, 3, 4, zip it up. That's 5. And then we keep going until they have made the numeral of the day. After we make the tally marks with the popsicle sticks, then we can write them down on a paper. Number 5 is number bonds. The child will show the number and how it can be made in different ways. For example, 2 plus 3 can be 5, and 1 plus 4 can also be 5. Dominoes are a great way to teach this, and so are Unifix cubes. Number bonds show the part-whole relationship, how two smaller numbers can be put together to make a larger number. Lastly, your child can spell the number word. Writing the number word is an important math skill, and it's a great way to connect math and literacy. And I love to use rhythm when I'm teaching the spellings. So like O-N-E spells 1. And E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now you need to hear this, mama. Your child does not need to do all of these at once. It's completely okay to start with 1 or 2 skills. Maybe today you just write the number and build it with a 10 frame. This is how mastery happens, little by little, with lots of repetition and encouragement. You can do the same number over and over for the whole week, or you can skip around. You can do different activities, or you can do the same one again and again, depending on what your child needs. And here's why number of the day is so powerful. Your child is not just memorizing numbers. He or she is experiencing them. They're seeing the number, touching the number, building the number, and talking about it. That's a deep number sense that sets the foundation for future math skills like addition and subtraction. And the best part? This routine only takes a few minutes every day. If you like the number of the day printable from this video, it's yours. Just click on the link in the description to download it. And if you want more simple hands-on ideas like this, I'd love for you to join my Keys to Kindergarten inbox coaching. It's a free weekly email where I help you to confidently teach your children in kindergarten and preschool without the overwhelm. The link for that is in the description also. You're doing a great job, Mama. Happy homeschooling.